Good morning, students. In this video we are going to learn about mole concept. So the mole concept. So far we discussed about matters in terms of the individual atoms and the molecules. The matter is composed of individual atoms and molecules. So we know that AMU. What is AMU? Atomic mass unit. So atomic mass unit provide a relative scale for the mass of the element. So AMU is used to provide the relative scale for mass of the elements. AMU is provide a relative scale for the mass of the elements. Since the atoms have such small masses. Since the atoms have such small masses, because atom is a very tiny particle. So it has small masses. So no usable scale can be devised to weigh them in the calibrated units of atomic mass unit. So in any real situation, we deal with the macroscopic sample. So macroscopic sample means bigger size substance containing the enormous number of atoms. So more number of atoms. They containing macroscopic sample containing more number of atoms. Therefore, it is convenient to have a special unit to describe a very large number of atoms. Therefore, it is convenient to have a special unit to describe a very large number of atoms. The idea of a unit to denote a particular number of objects is not new. For example, the pair of shoe, the pair of chappal, the pair of socks. So we know that pair means it contains two items. And the dozen, so the dozen eggs, that means it contains 12 eggs. So 12 item, dozen means 12. So some of the units are all familiar units. So the similar kind of units, the chemist measure atom and molecules in moles. So pair and dozen. So likewise mole also a unit. The chemist measure atoms and molecules in moles. So mole is a unit. Chemist measure atoms and molecules by using moles. So you can now understand that mole denotes a number of particle or number of atom or number of molecules. So what is by mole? Mole denotes a number of particles. It's very important. Two more question. Definition of moles. So in the SI system, mole is the amount of substance. In SI system, mole is the amount of substance. Mole is the amount of substance. What is mole? Mole means it contain as many elementary entities. Many elementary entities. The entities may be atoms or molecules or particles or ions. So whatever it is. As there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the carbon 12 isotope. So in the SI unit, the mole is amount of substance that contains as many elementary entities like atoms, molecules or particles or ions. As there are atoms in, it is equal to 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. The atoms or molecules or particles are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotopes. So it is very very important definition of moles. The actual number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 is determined experimentally. This is called Avogadro number. So that is also very important. What is Avogadro number? The symbol is capital N, capital A, Avogadro number. So what is Avogadro number? Actual number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 is determined by Avogadro number. Actual number of atom in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So the name after an Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro proposed its significance. This number is very very important number, significant number. So what is the name of that number? Avogadro number. So what is the value? 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. So 23 is in the power. So one mole of a substance contain 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23, 10 to the power of 23. So you have to write 23 in superscript. So one mole of the substance contain how many particles, how many entities? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 entities. So for example, 5 moles of oxygen molecule contains how many molecules? 5 moles means 1 mole, already we know that 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So you have to multiply it with 5 moles. So 5 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules will get 5 moles of oxygen molecule. Then mole concept. The study of the collection of particles by using mole as a counting unit. The study of the collection of particles by using mole as a counting unit. In order to express the mass and the volume of such unit particles in a bulk of matter is known as mole concept. In order to express the mass and the volume of such unit particles in a bulk of matter is known as mole concept. The number of moles of a substance can be calculated by various means. The number of moles of substance can be calculated by various means depending on the data available. So are follows. First data, the number of moles of molecules, number of moles of atom, number of moles of gas. So if the substance is in gas means you have to take standard molar volume at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. So 1 molar volume of gas is equal to 22.4 liter. 1 molar volume of the gas is equal to 22.4 liter. then number of moles of ions. So from the data, number of moles of substance can be calculated. So suppose they are in molecules or atoms or gas or ions, we have to calculate the number of moles. So already I explained you gas, standard temperature and pressure. So what is the temperature? 273.15 Kelvin. What is the pressure? 1 atmospheric pressure. So gas is calculated in 273.15 Kelvin, and 1 temperature atmospheric pressure means they are called standard temperature and pressure, STP. So mole of atoms. So 1 mole of an elementary contain 1 mole of an element contain 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. Already I explained you. 1 mole is equal to 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So it is equal to its gram atomic mass. So that is 1 mole of the oxygen contain. So 1 mole of the oxygen contain 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 atoms of oxygen, and its gram atomic mass is 16 gram. So oxygen is a diatomic. So 2 oxygens are chemically combined. Okay, 1 oxygen atomic mass is 16. So gram atomic mass is 16. So already we know about the mole of atom. So 1 atom of oxygen mass is 16. So 1 mole of oxygen atom contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. The similar way you have to calculate the molecules. So mole of molecules. So the mole of molecules, 1 mole of the matter contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 molecules, and it is equal to its gram molecular mass. That is 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 molecules of oxygen. Here oxygen is a diatomic, so 2 oxygen. So 1 oxygen means 16, it contains 2 oxygen because here molecule, oxygen molecule. In last case we discussed about oxygen atom. So 1 oxygen they contain, that's why 16 gram. Here 2 oxygens are chemically combined, so the mass is 32. Okay, so 1 molecule of oxygen contain 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 molecules of oxygen, is its gram molecular mass is 32 gram. Then molar volume. So already I explained to you. 1 mole of any gas occupies, 1 mole of any gas occupies, the volume is 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml at standard temperature and pressure. So this volume is called molar volume. That is also a very important question. What is molar volume? 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml at STP. This volume is called as molar volume. Then calculation of number of moles by different modes is very, very important, these formulas. So what are the modes to calculate number of moles? So number of moles is calculated by this formula. The given mass, when we are calculated to atom, means by using this formula, the given mass divided by atomic mass. Suppose we have to calculate in molecule, so given mass divided by molecular mass. This formula is used. Given mass divided by molecular mass. And the number of moles is calculated in atom. Number of atom divided by Avogadro number. Number of atom divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Or number of molecules are divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. This formula is very important. So in this picture, it is a conversion method. How the volume of gas converted into mole, or mole is converted into volume of gas. Similarly, how the mass is converted into mole, or mole is converted into mass. And how the particle is converted into mole, or mole is converted into particle. This picture is represented that the conversion method. So generally, the mass is converted into mole means the division is used. The given mass divided by molar mass. Similarly, the particle is divided with Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, we converted into mole. Volume of gas is divided with 22.4 liter, they converted into mole. Similarly, mole is converted into mass means mole is multiplied with the molar mass. And mole is multiplied with the Avogadro number, they converted into particle. And the mole is multiplied with the 22.4 liter, they converted into volume of STP. Okay, for example, so volume of gas is converted into mole means, so for example 1 mole, so 1 mole divided by 22.4 liter, they converted into moles. Volume of gas converted into moles. Suppose mole is converted into volume of gas means 22.4 liter divided by 1. So vice versa, we have to do that. So mole converted into particle. Okay. So 1 mole divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particle. Similarly, the particle is converted into mole means 1 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particle. Then mole is converted into particle means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 1 mole. Similarly in mass. So mole is converted into mass means molar mass divided by 1 mole. Then mass is converted into mole means 1 mole divided by molar mass. Okay students, by using this picture representation, we have to convert mass, particle and volumes into mole, or mole into mass, particle and volume. So that's all about the mole concept. Thank you students.